Here, one of a kind every time. Funky jewelry by Denise. All right. Very interesting pieces here. Very nifty. Very cool. So let's see. I don't even know where to start. These are all really unique pieces. Let's take a look at these earrings here. Let's see. Absolutely, Denise. Glad to review this for you. So, crystal bead earrings, swirled drop earrings, ear jewelry, beaded earrings, wire wrapped dangle earrings, sparkly earrings, and drop earrings. I like the photo you have here. You got a nice video as well, it looks like. I love the camera quality. Like, it's a really crisp video. Yeah, this is a good video showing off the pieces here. Good photos as well. Just want to be careful a little bit. And it's kind of tough with clear pieces, but you want to make sure you can see these pieces down here and they're on the white background. I don't know the best way to do this because it is clear, but maybe if you find a little bit of a darker background to get a little bit more contrast in there, that could help. It's just tough to see these a little bit, so I would kind of take a look at that. But I think that overall the photos are pretty good. I think they work, and you have the up close details there as well. So overall, I think the photos are good. You are renewing. Yesterday. Very good. So the keywords I think can be the main things for you because a lot of these keywords are really broad. So crystal bead earrings. If you take this here and plug it in, see dark background, wash them out. Interesting. So maybe that's just kind of the best way to kind of go about it. But I think I don't know. It might be worth experimenting, but I don't know. I don't know what the best option for that background is if it washes it out, but I think it's okay as it is. Could you lay a cloth over the bottom half of the earrings behind them? Maybe. You want to make sure it looks cohesive and it works still. And if it's too much trouble and if it doesn't work with the dark background, I would just keep it the way it is because these photos look fine. These are just a little bit tough to see. But I think it's just, I think it's just kind of, it's tough to do with clear stuff. So you just want to be, maybe experiment if you can, but if it's too tough, just kind of leave it the way it is. Have some with staging could definitely work. Like your photo with the earrings outside. Let's take a look at that one. I haven't seen that. Let's see. This one here, maybe. This one's not bad. The wood background's kind of fun. If you want to do something like that, I don't see one with the photo outside, but that might be a good way to do it as well. If you want to do that, that could be a good photo of a product outside. I don't see it right here necessarily, but that's okay. Like I spent too much time looking for it, but I think it's just fine the way it is. I think the main thing for you is going to be your keywords. So crystal bead earrings gives us 110,000 results, which is a really large competitive keyword. So you definitely want to kind of bring it down some. So this is going to be really competitive for the first keyword. Really for any keyword it's competitive, but definitely for that first one, you want to bring it down to 10,000 if you can. Let's take a look at the second one. So swirled drop earrings. That is going to be 16,000 results. That's a lot better. So it's kind of, I think the tough thing with this one here is it's just such a unique piece. I don't even know how you describe it properly. I think swirl drop earrings could work for you. It's just so unique though. It's a little bit tough, but I think it could work for you if you wanted to use that. There's a lot of kind of just general spiral stuff on here, but I think, this is kind of similar in style. So it could definitely work for you, swirl drop earrings. If it is amethyst, I would kind of lean into this though. Somebody asked a question, is it amethyst? Yeah, that's the amethyst. So yeah, if this is amethyst, lean into that. You don't even have it in your, see, pretty lavender and clear bead earrings. Now, if it is amethyst, go ahead and put that in there. If it's not actual amethyst, I wouldn't because you don't want to, sell it as one gemstone, but it's not actually that gemstone. But yeah, I definitely would, I would make sure that if it's amethyst, put it in there. If it's not actually amethyst, don't put that in there. I would just do, purple gemstone keywords, that'd be a little bit better for you. Sword drop earrings could work though. We'll try some of the purple gemstone ones. Let's try purple gemstone drop earring. Purple gemstone drop earring. Gets you 20,000 results. I think that could work for you. A little bit large for the first keyword, but definitely a good second or third keyword, and it's relevant enough, I think. Purple gemstone drop earring. Beaded earrings and ear jewelry. These are all going to be very broad keywords. Couple 100,000, maybe even over 1 million results for this one. So it's going to be a lot harder to rank for ear jewelry and then beaded earrings. So definitely want to swap those out with kind of keywords that describe the product itself. Wire wrap dangle earrings. This may be a little bit better for you. Still not super specific, but it could be a lot better. And then the other one's 56,000. It's not too bad. If you want to do wire wrapped gemstone dangle earrings, that puts us at 15,000 results. That's a lot better. I think you could definitely do that one, wire wrap gemstone dangle earrings. I think that's a good keyword to be using for your product here instead. And then sparkly earrings and drop earrings are also going to be very, very large. So let's try some of the purple gemstone ones, or purple stone, or purple crystal. Purple crystal dangle earrings. Let's try that. Purple crystal dangle earrings. There you go. 26,000 results. Not too bad. It's probably still a little bit large for that first keyword, but definitely a usable keyword for you. But I've definitely throw in some keywords related to the purple crystal, purple gemstone. You know, you do purple clear gemstone earrings and try something like that. Purple clear gemstone earrings. That gives you 1,400 results. That's a little bit on the smaller end, but it could still work for you if you wanted to do that. But there's a couple of keyword options there that are going to be a lot more relevant. Now, you can also do gold wire wrapped earrings, gold wire wrapped gemstone earrings, you know, gold swirl drop earrings, something like that. Do gold swirl wire earrings. Try something like that. That's 2,400 results. That could definitely work for you and be a relevant keyword. So those are the kinds of the directions you want to go with your keywords there. Describing the style, again, it's a really unique piece, so it's a little bit more difficult to describe the style, but you can definitely do stuff related to the materials and the kind of design you got going on here and the gemstones. Those are all going to be good options for your keywords there. So hopefully that gives you some keyword options and ideas there. Yeah, everyone's different. It can be a little bit difficult because you have your pieces are so unique. And you can even use some of those keywords that are unique wire wrapped gemstone earring, something like that. Maybe even that would work if you want to throw in the unique keyword. I usually tend to stay away from the unique keyword, but these ones really are kind of all over the place, really unique products that could actually work for you. So if you wanted to do that, you could definitely do that. So, but hopefully that gives you some keywords to work on and some ideas. I think you got good products, got good photos. So I think the main thing is going to be those keywords for you. I think Carol and Karen, I promise I'm coming up on you. Let's see. I do have you up here, Karen, so no worries. You see how having a handful of repetitive products, so keywords can be the same. Yeah, if you have a couple of similar products, you know, maybe this one's similar enough, these two, you could do similar keywords on here, use a couple of unique ones, but these two are similar enough, you can probably use some similar keywords. You know, I mean, I have to go through and see, you know, these ones are kind of similar enough. You can use some of the same similar keywords. You already do spiral ring. But yeah, you're going to have a pretty wide variety of keywords for your shop here, which is fine. Gets you ranked in front of a lot of different people, a lot of different Etsy searchers. So having a bunch of keywords is not a bad thing. But you're just going to have to do a lot of research in order to get the right ones. But I think that's definitely something good for you. And you got a good shop. And once you get those keywords down, I think you got a lot of good potential there.